sounds from A to Z. A for alligator. An alligator sounds like this. B for bear. A bear sounds like this. C for cat. A cat sounds like this. D for duck. A duck sounds like this. E for elephant. An elephant sounds like this. F for frog. A frog sounds like this. G for giraffe. A giraffe sounds like this. H for hippopotamus. A hippopotamus sounds like this. I for iguana. An iguana sounds like this. J for jellyfish. A jellyfish sounds like this. K for koala. A koala sounds like this. L for lion. A lion sounds like this. M for monkey. A monkey sounds like this. N for narwhal. A narwhal sounds like this. O for octopus. An octopus sounds like this. P for pig. A pig sounds like this. Q for quetzal. A quetzal sounds like this. R for rabbit. A rabbit sounds like this. S for snake. A snake sounds like this. T for tiger. A tiger sounds like this. U for unicorn. A unicorn sounds like this. V. V for vampire bat. A vampire bat sounds like this. W. W for whale. A whale sounds like this. X. X for X-ray fish. An X-ray fish sounds like this. Y. Y for yak. A yak sounds like this. Z. Z for zebra. A zebra sounds like this.